Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the job safe and giving yourself access. Park level, chalk the trailer, and disconnect the tow vehicle battery so you won't short anything. Once done, remove the lamp lens or access panel and expose the brake light socket and connector. Make sure you can see the harness splice and ground strap. You need visibility to diagnose. If you encounter sealed connectors, pry gently with a trim tool to avoid damage. This primes you to test and remove the faulty lamp. Next, you verify where the failure is. Probe the socket with a multimeter for 12V when brakes are applied. Check continuity to ground. If voltage is present but the lamp is dead, replace the bulb or LED module with the correct type and current rating. Once swapped, clean the contacts and lightly coat with dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Reseat the lamp and tighten the lens hardware evenly. Make sure the connector is fully engaged and that the ground is snug for reliable operation. Finally, you validate the fix and address lingering faults. Reconnect the battery, have a helper press the brake pedal, and observe the trailer light. Test both brake and stop functions. If the light still fails, trace wiring to the nearest splice and inspect for corrosion or broken conductors. Check vehicle and trailer fuses and the brake controller output. If you find green corrosion or flaky connectors, cut back to clean wire and crimp on heat shrink butt connectors. One tip: intermittent function usually means a bad ground.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.